Have you thought about installing artificial grass in your landed property? Today, we will showcase to you an interesting case of termites attacking the property and using the artificial grass as a secure pathway to travel into the property. When we lift the artificial grass, there's plenty of termite movement. This is because there is no absolute disturbance from humans. Artificial grass may be easy to maintain, but they can hide termite activity due to dampness and no human disturbance. Check underneath artificial grass sparingly.